All right, Wednesday, April 22nd, 2026. Budgies, it's going to get noisy. You might want to put on some feathery headphones, earplugs. Okay, I gotta saw that and then saw that. And then this Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 61, a memorial to high school classmate and post-graduation friend Alvin Tamarkin of Queens, New York. I'm going to be attaching this recently framed assemblage of a must have been like watercolor painting I did on a like brown envelope back in, I'm guessing, 1967. Kind of psychedelic imagery with my name, A K Segan, and a bunch of people wearing sunglasses, some with hats, behind like a fence. I can't quite make out what this was supposed to be. We've got a horn here, and this drawing was dated 1967. Problem number 8. Must have been for an art class. Looks like I don't even remember this. There must have been metal cans of cigarettes, Camel cigarettes, and some drawings I did in 1969. A couple of other drawings, undated. All right, so that's going to go below that. So that will be on top, that will be below. And I'm going to be mounting them, attaching them on this piece of plywood I found. Hopefully that'll work. All right, stay tuned. I hear some feedback over here. Thank you, Dr. Chi. You're a great art critic, darling. Yeah. How are we doing, Prime Minister Mazel? Everybody okay? Kind of a gray day, but that's the way it is. All right. Greetings.